They call it the Dartmouth Summer Research Project on AI. Summer? Summer research? As if human intelligence could be cracked between July and Labor Day? They went in thinking they would solve thinking. They gathered in the summer, armed with chalk, cigars, and enough hubris to declare, "Let's make machines smart. How hard can it be?" They thought they would figure it out intelligence in a summer. We have been at it for almost 70 years and still can't make AI understand a woman. But at least it can write an email. Except it costs $50 million per model and comes with a terms of service warning. Imagine thinking, we can build a mind from scratch. How hard can it be? With zero data, no GPUs, a mainframe the size of a refrigerator, and exactly zero working prototypes. Dartmouth said, we just need a summer hackathon, some brains, and a chalkboard to simulate intelligence. What modern AI says, we just need a bunch of data and a GPU budget bigger than your lifetime salary. They sparked the dream with a few dozen dollars and unlimited ambition. Now, we burn through millions just to fine-tune a model that can write a decent email in 5 seconds. So, here is to McCarthy, Minsky, Rochester, and Shannon, the founding fathers of AI, who paved the road we now call GPT Boulevard. You all really said, simulate human intelligence. And 17 years later, we have got TikTok filters and AI that draw cats in an astronaut suit. 4 brilliant men walk into Dartmouth with a dream. What they left behind? An academic field that not requires supercomputers and multi-billion-dollar startups. Not bad for a workshop that probably had free coffee and a chalkboard. They dream of machines with common sense. Today, AI confidently tells you that a horse has 6 legs and likes pizza. But at least it can summarize PDF and create an anime version of yourself. Today we said, just feed the machine with 10 trillion words and see what happens. And somehow it worked. They believed intelligence was just a matter of logic, rules, and clever programming. I mean, it was until the real world showed up. So, it turns out that people don't speak in if-else statements. I mean, I do. But most of the people out there mumble, contradict themselves, and use emojis. And yet, for all the overconfidence, the chalkboard theories, the summer-sized timeline for a mind-side problem, they started something unstoppable. McCarthy, who gave AI its name and never stopped chasing logic like a language of the mind. Minsky, who dreamed with childlike wonder and art with first intelligence. Shannon, the genius who saw communication as math and intelligence as possibility. Rochester, who brought hardware muscles to the table when machines barely knew what memory was. They didn't build AI in a summer. They built the reason we believe we still can. So, here is to the original dreamers, the father of a field that outgrew them, challenged the world, and taught us that imagining the future is the first step to building it. You lit the spark. We are still chasing the fire.